I'm gonna start doing my hair. I'm doing So I'm doing the twist with this Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Mask. And then I'm also going to be using Natural 85's Melanin Hair Care Oil. Yeah. So my hair growth tips. So protective styling. Because I used to play in my hair when I first, so I had heat damage and I cut it off, and I used to do my hair every single day. Brushing, combing, everything, manipulating my hair every day. So my hair didn't grow that much the first year after I cut my heat damage. So I would definitely say protective styling or low manipulation, because ever since I started doing my hair once a week and then leaving it, I've seen the best results. My hair has been thriving for the past year and a half. Shoobity bop, shoobity bop a doo doo doo, shoobity bop a doo 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 doo. Not gonna get copyrighted, shoobity bop a doo. And so people clown me for it. Like, they really want to clown me and say, oh, Christian, you're shrinkage and da 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 da. But is their hair waistline? No, it's not. Why do I sound so conceited? I promise I'm not. It's just really annoying when people with shorter hair than you try to tell you what to do with your hair. And I mean short, not by choice. Yeah. Number 2 would be don't experiment with product.
I have my Shea Moisture mask, and I have Jamaican black castor oil, almond oil, and Indian shampoo. That is the only thing I use on my hair. Literally 3 or 4 products and water. And I feel like people overcomplicate it.
And that's where you get the, my hair isn't reacting well with products. It's because you mix it up all the time. Your hair doesn't know what to do. So I would recommend finding 2 or 3 items that work for you. Your favorite oil, if you use oils or butters, just find an oil, find a conditioner and a deep conditioner, or just the same one, and a shampoo. And that is literally all you need.
The next thing is, that was number 2. Number 3, please stay away from heat as much as you can. That's what got me into this situation in the first place. That was heat. And so I had locks for 7 years. I combed them out, and I didn't really know what to do with my loose hair. And so that's where I started putting heat on my hair, and I started lying to my mom about it. I would blow dry my hair and then find one of her flat irons and then straighten my hair, and then be like, oh no, I didn't do anything, I just blow dried it. She'd be like, then why is it so straight? And I'd just be like, oh, I used some serum to make it really smooth. And so I ended up getting heat damage, and I had to cut off 6 inches. But anyway, stay away from heat, and if you are going to use it, I suggest a tip.
The 4th and final tip is do not let other people touch your hair if you don't trust them. Grow my hair. I'm the one that took this time to grow my hair out, and I feel like I shouldn't have to sacrifice my hair because a person's rushing or anything like that, and that's why I don't really trust salons. They won't give you a dust or a trim, they'll give you a cut. And other people, some self-made stylists are really rough, and because they haven't been to even some people that have been to cosmetology school, they just have no regard for their client's hair. And I cringe when I hear somebody combs my hair from the root to the end. Oh my gosh, that's just the worst thing that could ever happen. And when I hear those snap, crackle, and pops, I want to cry. And so that's the main reason. Well, I feel like when I was growing up, I got called tender-headed, but some of that stuff actually does hurt. Yeah, so that's the tips. Thanks for watching.